In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add business location to Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. You'll need to convert your account to the professional account. So what you'll need to do is click on three bars given at the top right. In case you have already switched to the professional account, you'll need to make sure you have set the business account, not the creator. So head over to the option Tools and Controls. Click on the option Switch Account Type and set it to Business. Once you have switched your account to the business account, you will need to navigate to your profile page again. Click on the option Edit Profile. Now, scrolling down, you're going to find the section Public Business Information. Click on the option Contact Options. Now, from here, you are able to add your business location. Click on the option Business Address. Now, type in the street address, select the city or town. Then type in the zip code and click on Done. With that, you have added business location on your Instagram. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.